MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're on the 2024 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. This boat is powered by twin 400 Mercury engines, top speed of 64 miles an hour, and this boat will get up to 40 miles an hour at 4,000 RPMs. It'll get you where you're going pretty quick. Now here we are looking at the transom here. You've got rod holders and a live well. Easy access for the rods. You got your water fill station here, your pump out. Everything's in the back of the boat, keeps the mess in the back. And then you got nice access for your live well. So when you're fishing, rigging tackle, easy to access all your things. You've got your heavy duty dive door here and your grab handle. The ladder for the dive door is stowed underneath the console where the head is. Seating in the back is pretty ample. So if you're underway, easily fit 2 adults here. I'm 6'2". So this is a nice comfy ride. 2 of your buddies driving the boat up front. Plenty of room to move around. This stows away for fishing. Just like that, your bolster pulls up, seat folds in. You've got nice fish boxes on your port and starboard side. And then a little wash station with another live well here. 2 rod holders, 2 cup holders, and a grab rail just to keep your balance. You've got rod storage on your starboard side here. You also have rod storage in the front, which we'll look at in a bit. Let's look underneath here in the bilge compartment. So as you can see, a nice Boston Whaler fashion. Great engineering, A-side finish on all of the fiberglass in the hull. Neat plumbing, your batteries, easy access to your pumps, your through holes, your sea strainers. And let's take a look at these fish boxes here. So very large fish boxes, whether inshore or offshore, you can fit a lot of fish in here. So you have raw water washdown, easy hookup here. And if you really wanted to, you could come to your sink area, grab this, spray anything you need. If you need a little lighter pressure, that's fine. Rocket launchers up top. I like how the 2 outer ones are angled outward. Gets the rods out of the way if you're trolling. Let's come up to the helm here and take a look of what Boston Whaler did for us here. So, those hot days like today, not much wind, easily open the vent here. And now you're gonna get a nice breeze coming through. Really nice stuff. You got dual sim rads, so you'll have your Mercury vessel view, your engine controls here. So you'll see RPMs, fuel, battery voltage, chart plotter, fish finder, navigation, your Simrad VHF. Also, this boat comes with a handheld Simrad. Lenco trim tabs. So your helm seats here, bolsters fold up nice and easy. You got an easily accessible garbage can. Nice footrest here. This is makes for a very comfy ride when you're underway. Your fuel tank, you got 1 fuel fill on the port side, right next to the helm, so you can keep your eye on the fuel gauge as you fill up. Very nice touch. So bow of the boat, you got a big coffin box center in front of the helm here. Let's open this up. You got 2 Boston Whaler buckets below. You can fit a lot of things in this box. The gunnels on this boat are nice and high. So up near the bow here, you got nice grab rails, about mid-thigh. You can put, most of your body weight over here. It feels good, especially on rough days. Now your bow cushions, all of these are removable and stowable. So if you're going off...
Sorry.
Yeah.
My phone just...
It's too hot.
Yeah, you can keep going. I'll edit it.
Are we good?
Yeah, sorry. It just turned off, but it's back and it's recording.
So your bow cushions, all of these are stowable. They come right off with snaps. You got more storage under here that is drainable, so you can store fish up here if you want. Access to your windlass up here. You got a nice remote here. You've got a freshwater hookup washdown, so you could spray the chain as it feeds in, and you have a manual crank. So looking at the Helm here, you've got nice LED light up front, and all along the sides of the boat, you have LED accents. Here, farther back, and on both sides. So when you're running at night, there's a nice low level glow below, and then when you need more light forward, you turn this on here. This boat is equipped with a head. Also access to your fuses, engine keys, and rod storage. Now this boat does come with the canvas package, so zip in here, you clip below, and on those early spring days or late fall mornings when it's a little chilly, weather's not nice, you could pretty much seal up everyone behind the console and they'll stay nice and dry. Port side helm. You got nice deep tackle storage, 3 drawers. Thank you for joining us on this video of the Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. If you're interested in buying this boat, contact us at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.